Hi, I am the 3D printing lawyer. In a previous video, I did an adhesion torture test of the Bambu Lab Cool Plate SuperTack with PLA. Today, I'm sharing the results that I got from testing PETG on the same adhesion torture test. Here's the torture test that I'm using. There are no wall loops, it's just a 1 centimeter concentric square that exponentially increases in size and angle for each layer. Note that the model starts in the corner of the plate, where I did notice that the temperature was up to 10 degrees cooler than the center of the plate. My test was with a brand new spool of Amazon Basics yellow PETG in a room approximately 25 degrees Celsius. Let's go to the results. In my previous video, the cool plate with 184 layers at 45 degrees crushed the 75 layers of the PEI plate at 65 degrees. Even without any bud heating, the cool plate beat the PEI plate, although the cool plate did perform significantly better at 45 degrees, which is the temperature in the profile for the plate from Bambu Lab. You're welcome to use these charts however you want. There are download links in the description. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.